All right, traders, here we are on a Tuesday, February 10th. I mentioned yesterday that once the market breaks the 7,000, that we can expect the market to go higher. And so that's exactly what I'm anticipating here for today. You can see that there were a few instances of it hitting the 7,000, trying and trying and trying. And here we are now a third time. I believe that the market is going higher. And so what are we going to use? What can we use, I should say? What can we use to help us? So I'm going to add here a few things here to the chart and see what opportunities exist. This is DayTradeToWin software. Start off with the Atlas line to help me understand whether or not we are on the right side, and we are. We have a long trade. I'm going to do the at the open as well. The at the open also gave us a long, let me just push this out of the way. At the open signal gave us a long trade. Let's add the Sonic as well. And I'm using a 5-minute chart, but I'm going to switch to a 1-minute chart here in just a minute. This is the Sonic. And we'll add the Trade Scalper as well. Okay, so a few things here, DayTradeToWin software. And so we have everything here so far in the 5-minute chart, but I think more importantly, we have to move to a 1-minute chart. And on a 1-minute chart, we have a few different opportunities. So with the longs being in play here, we have here Trade Scalper, at the open, Atlas line, Trade Scalper, Sonic, and even the Atlas line here again, giving us a long trade. So really what that tells me is that I do want to take this long unless we start seeing shorts and like 3 or 4 short signals below the Atlas line. And that's also going to coincide with the Sonic and Trade Scalper. We're going to see short examples, but for right now, I am looking for another long trade. Hang tight. I'm going to keep this rolling. I'm taking the next trade that comes our way. Let's see what happens. All right, everyone, here is a long signal here. Right over here, this is a Sonic signal. Even though it's lower than the previous ones, I still think this is a great idea for me to go long.
Order filled.
Only because we have so many other long signals. And if you take a look at the target here, the target and the stop are about equal. Let me just expand this out here like that so you can see a little bit better. So we have number of long trades in a row. I have the stop, I have the target. Let's see here how this trade turns out. I'm trading the micros. You can trade the E-mini, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, the crude, the gold. It doesn't really matter using the DayTradeToWin software.
Target filled.
Okay, so that was a very simple example, straightforward, why I'm using the Sonic system, the Atlas line, the Trade Scalper, the at the open, the Atlas line, if I didn't say that already, everything telling us long here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the reason for the long trade. Now, it's not even 10:30 New York time. The market could still go higher. It could reverse. We can have short trades. So I'm just going to follow the signals. If you're looking to get funded on a challenge or prop firm account, DayTradeToWin software is perfect. If you don't have a free member account, visit DayTradeToWin.com and I'll see everyone there. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Get a free member account. We also include the Sonic, Roadmap, Autopilot, Trade Scalper, and Atlas line with accelerated mentorship, now available in monthly and lifetime access. Visit DayTradeToWin and I'll see everyone in class.